Alright, what's happening, guys? So, wanted to give you all a quick update. It's been a while since my last video. Everything's been crazy, super busy, in a good way. So, the shop is coming down, where I make my knives and all of that stuff. In the process of buying a new house, and yeah, we should close on that on May 14th, and it should be pretty cool. Gonna have a new shop over there. And yeah, maybe some videos of some jet skis and stuff like that. That'll be fun. The house is on the water, so pretty excited about that. And that's pretty much it. That's the update for those that care. Bye.